Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills, y'all. Stelly Grills and Chills. And hey, while we here, we gonna rain on them. We gonna cook a lot of great food. So don't forget, give me that LSS, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, let's get it. So yeah, y'all. We doing a pork tenderloin today. And it's gonna be good. So you know what we gotta do. We gotta rain on them. Hit them with a little salt, some pepper. Then I gotta hit them with my cayenne, y'all. My cayenne. Of course, after we come with that cayenne, we gonna hit them with some rosemary. And after that, we just gonna roll across our cutting board, soaking up all that seasoning. Now we gonna sous vide this for 4 hours at 145 degrees. So let's go ahead and get them in this bag. Once we get them vacuum sealed, this is what he should look like. All them great seasonings and everything. Hey, and we gonna go and get them in our machine. See you in 4 hours, player. Now while that's going on, we gonna go ahead and start boiling our potatoes. I think we just want to boil these enough to get them tender, and then we gonna take that skin off. So let's go ahead and get that water off and let them sit. Now you want to let these cool off for a while, y'all. Don't try to take skin off now. You gonna burn yourself. So we gonna let these sit for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, let's go and peel that skin off. And once we get the skin off, it's time to rain on them, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and hit them with a teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of butter. Go ahead and rain on them with a little salt. Y'all know me. Gotta hit them with some cayenne. I need that little extra spicy kick. Then we gonna crack over 2 eggs. After we get all that in, we gonna give it a mix, allowing our butter to melt a little bit. You know, our potatoes are still warm. They just not so hot that we can't touch it with our hands, y'all. You don't want your potatoes to come all the way down. They gotta melt that butter. Now after we get that all mixed, we're gonna go ahead and come in with a 1/4 cup of sugar. And we're gonna give that a mix. After we get that mix, we're gonna go ahead and come in with a 1/3 cup of flour. Now this is gonna vary depending on how many potatoes you got. I added 1/3 cup and I realized I needed another, so I added another. So what I would do, I would only add 1/3 of a cup at a time. That way you can come with the right consistency. Now what you're looking for on your consistency is between pancake mix and cookie dough, y'all. Yeah, they ready to cook now, y'all. They ready to cook. Now let's check on our tenderloin. Oh yeah. We good, ready. All we gotta do is cook them off now, y'all. Cook everything off. Let's go ahead and get our sweet potato mixture in. I mean, man, hey, these so good. Hey, you gotta try these sweet potato pancakes, y'all. Gotta try. These are a must try, y'all. Then we're gonna get our tenderloin on. Now all we doing with our tenderloin, of course, like every time that we sous vide, just getting some color on them, y'all. That's all we need to do. He already done. Look at that. That tenderloin got done before the first pancakes came off. Look at that there, y'all. Yeah, as our pancakes come up, we give them a little flippy flip. Get them good and cooked on both sides. And hey, he's here already. Let's get them on off. Oh yeah. It's time to eat, y'all. Time to eat. Look at that tenderloin, y'all. See how tender she is? Oh my goodness. Now me, I went with a little bit of honey at the end just to finish everything off. Yes, yes, yes. It was so tasty, y'all. Now check out that tenderloin. Look how you don't even need no knife, y'all. Look at it. Look at it. See, that's just sous vide process. Got that pork so tender. Oh my God, and look at these pancakes. Oh, they so tasty. But anyway, y'all, this has been a wonderful meal. I hope y'all give it a try. And hey, love, peace, and of course, keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.